good, YouTube? Up and at 'em early in the morning. All right. Today I'm actually on my way to go pick up my mentee. I'm a mentor. All right, so I mentor this 17-year-old kid, and I gotta take him today to get a ID. He's 17, graduate this year. Don't got no ID, so I'm trying to get him on the right path. He ain't really a bad kid. You know what I'm saying? He just needs some guidance, man. Just trouble. Just getting into shit. Skipping school, not going to class, failing and stuff like that. Single parent household. It's just him and his mother. So I'm his mentor. I'm doing what I gotta do to try to help this kid out. It's hard though, trying to put somebody on a path, especially another kid that's not yours, and dealing with all his issues and his traumas or what have you. But I'm out here, man. I'm doing what I can. So we're gonna go get this youngin' an ID, and hopefully once he gets that ID, we're gonna start filling out some job applications so he can get his little ass a job, and so he can start earning and put some money in his pocket, and not have to, constantly keep asking his mother for things, and build up some type of, work history too. If he doesn't want to go to college, he can start building up some type of work history now, so he can build up some type of resume to get himself straight for his future. All right, so let's do this. Another day. So I took my mentee to get his ID. That was a catastrophe. It was unsuccessful. He showed up. He didn't have all the proper documentation. It's really not his fault. His mother didn't send him with the proper documentation. So we're just gonna have to go back another time. Right now with my family, and we're bowling. It's not my turn yet, but we're just gonna spend a little time here with them. And I want to show y'all. I came up with a new design for one of the artists that I frequently listen to. His name is Mark Homney. If you know who he is, Mark Homney, underground cat. Leave it down in the comments below. Let me know what you think about his music. But that's like one of my most listened to artists on the streaming platform. So I designed this hoodie for him, and I want to show y'all that joint. It's more likely, I'm not gonna put it on my website. It's more likely for me and my boys that listen to underground music. So I'm gonna make some, for myself and them. And if anybody want one, I might sell some to them as well. But I'm definitely not gonna put it up on my website. All right, I'll show y'all that joint in a minute. y'all. I put in that work today, man. Put in that work and bowling today, man. Beat the family. It is what it is. Not by much though, cause I'm trash myself. But like I was saying, I want to show y'all. This mock homie design that I came up with. Up here, I'm gonna put. If you don't know what he looked like, I'll put a picture up here of what mock homie looks like. Like I said, he an underground rap MC. Been out for a hot little minute now. Got like mad albums. What I like about Mock is, you know, he lived by his own rules. He does his own things. He's not trying to be mainstream. You know, he's not this artist that's trying to be, you know, all up in your face 24/7 at the Grammy Awards and all that type of nonsense. He's cool at, you know, the spot that he's in right now. Independent, sells all his music and his merch independently. If you want any type of music from Mock or whatever, you got to get that shit from him directly. That's what I like about him too. So all that money goes straight to him. You know, every now and then, excuse me, he might put some of his music out on you know, streaming platforms, but it'll be like, wow, late, you got to catch it. So if he dropped like an album if he dropped like an album in 2025, he might put the music out and make it available on streaming platforms like 2-3 years later, you know what I'm saying? So, and you know, that drives like the you know, the price of his material up too, because if you really rock with him, you're gonna spend that coin on, you know, trying to get his music. Like some of his vinyls, some of his old vinyl records be going for like 30,000, 50,000, 75,000, you know what I'm saying? Because the people that are tapped in are really tapped in. So check out some of the pictures of Mock. And here is, you know, my artwork, what I came up with for the Mock homie hoodie. I started off with the white version. I'm like, yeah, it's pretty dope. And I was like, let me see how it would look in the black version. So I made the black version as well. So check out the black version. You know, then I shot it, you know, to my peoples, and I was like, yo, what y'all think about this? You know, I came up with this Mock joint. You know, I've been listening to his music, you know, bumping the shit all last year. He was my most listened to artist. And I've been watching a lot of his interviews, and, you know, I like what he stands for too. And Mock from Haiti, you know, shout out to all my Haitian people. So the way I did it, the way I started it was, I went on Google, did a Google search for Mock homie, and I just, you know, shuffled through a few of his images, and I picked, you know, one of the images that I thought was vibrant enough, and I was like, all right, this is it. So I started with that. I ripped that, downloaded that, and then I used Plceit, you know, for the hoodie. I needed to see what the actual image would look like on a hoodie. So I used Plceit, I put it on a white hoodie. I was like, all right, this is kind of dope. And then I did, because he's Haitian, he's like real mystique. He always wears that Haitian bandana around his face, because he don't want you to see his real face. So I was like, all right, I gotta put like this Haitian flag somewhere. So I found like the Haitian logo, and I put his initials in the middle of the Haitian logo. So I was like, all right, this will look fire if it was on the back. So like I said, first thing I did was found his image, and then I found the Haitian flag, and I used a font that I found on Kittl, and I put that on the Haitian logo, and I put it on that white hoodie, and I was like, damn, it's fire. But I'm like, man, it needs something else, man. It needs something else. Even though I had his initials on the back with the MH, you know, for people that don't really know him, it's like, you know, I gotta spell his name out somehow. So I came up with, I found the font. And I was like, I'm gonna put Mock homie on the left in the right sleeves. Man, that white looks so fire. And I was like, yo, but you know what, man? I gotta see how that shit look in black. Man, I put that shit on that black. You know, I'm a sucker for some black. I love black. That came out fire. I asked the wife, I was like, yo, which one you like better? She's like, yo, that black hitting. And that's the first one when I showed it to my people. It's like, yo, that black different. So I'm pleased with it, man. You know, just getting back into things, man. You know, got to keep myself busy until we back in, you know what I'm saying, into the workforce. But just know, man, I ain't just, like I told you, I'm not just sitting around, man. So I'm gonna get them joints made up for us. I ain't gonna use no cheap ass hoodies. I'm gonna use some good quality, good heavyweight hoodies, man. Make them joints like real nice. You know, once I get everything up, get them made up, I'll double back and I'll show y'all how them joints came out. But that's pretty much it for this one, y'all. Just wanted to show y'all the new hoodie. Like I said, it's not gonna be up on the website. This is not a DCYOP piece. This is just, I'm saying, something just like out of the box, you know, for me and my peoples, or whoever really rock with mock like that. You want one of these joints, you know, hit me up, and I'll let you know how you can get yourself one. And you know, yeah, I did the whole mentor thing today. It wasn't as successful as I thought it would be, but you know, once him and his mother get, you know, all the paperwork together, and you know, we just gonna go back and revisit that thing, because I ain't never gonna give up on a younger man. You know, this is what I do, man. I always spread love and I give back. Let's get it.